Hello everyone, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health. Today we will make homemade Calpis drink. Calpis is a super popular Japanese drink. It's sweet, milky and tangy, kind of like yogurt soda. And it's made with dairy and lot of sugar. So in this video, I'll show you how to make homemade Calpis drink, which is vegan, gut-friendly, and even healthier with Sakekasu, a fermented rice paste. So are you ready? Let's get started!
Ingredients are lemon and Sakekasu. There are many types of Sakekasu, and for this recipe, I would recommend using tangy Sakekasu and water and beet sugar. Mix well and heat it over medium heat until it becomes silky. This step is important to cook off the alcohol in the Sakekasu. Then turn off the heat. Add lemon juice, beet sugar, Now it's time for fun. Add Calpis into your glass. You get that creamy, tangy Calpis flavor without dairy and with the gut-boosting power of fermented rice. Let me briefly explain. Sakekasu is made during the sake brewing process. It's full of protein, prebiotics, and other nutrients that support your gut and overall health.
How was homemade Calpis drink? I hope you like it. And let me know if you tried it. So see you next time!